A simple fried chicken recipe. Let me show you one way to make it. So simple, so easy, so good. So good. All right, first we're gonna season our chicken. I'm using drumsticks. Go ahead and clean your chicken. Make sure your chicken is thawed out. So, season to your taste, okay? Some adzi, MSG accent salt. Don't like it? Don't put it. Some black pepper. Some paprika. Some garlic powder. Garlic powder, huh? Not garlic salt. If you use garlic salt, don't use regular salt. But make it how you like it, right? Onion powder. If you like it pica, add in cayenne pepper. Or just regular hot pepper, don't need malumok. We like it pica, so it's gonna be pica. Ooh. Okay, cover it. Now give it a good mix. Yes, look at that, look at that. Yes. Okay, in a separate container, we're gonna add in some flour. Maybe I need a bigger container. It's okay. The same seasonings you put in your chicken, add it again. You don't have to put too much of it though. Like, don't put too much salt because you don't want your chicken to be too salty. Okay, some garlic powder, onion powder, lots of this. Some paprika. Not the bottle. Some cayenne pepper. Some black pepper. Okay. Just give that a good mix. Okay, we're gonna turn on our stove. Whoa. Can use a deep frying pan or just like a deep pot, I guess, like a pan, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add in some used oil that I had from frying chicken a few weeks ago. Oh shoot! I even left the crumbs. Fresh oil, fresh vegetable oil. We're gonna take our chicken. Just kind of. You can even just throw the chicken in and shake it up, but my container is not that big. All right, when our oil is hot, we're gonna go ahead and throw in our chicken. Hot enough, I guess. Let it cook. To be checking on your chicken, turn it if you feel it's ready. Yes. All right, when your chicken is done, go ahead and take it out. Ooh, I think this one's done. So good. And you always gotta have fried chicken with red rice. Okay. Red rice, fried chicken? Yes. Yes, please. Yes, look at that. Woohoo. Yes. Ooh. So good. If you know, you know.